Just here.
What? A poster?
Open it.
What is this? One Direction. Niall?
Open it.
Why Niall?
Go there, go there. You know who gave it to you?
You.
No.
You.
Auntie Sherilyn.
Yay!
What are you gonna tell Auntie Sherilyn?
Thank you.
That's a big one.
Wow, that's long. Wow! Wow, that's
What
big!
are you gonna tell Auntie Sherilyn?
Thank you.
Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Are you gonna put
Let's
it
put
in
it
your...
up. How about Daddy? Does he know?
Yeah, he knows that Auntie Sherilyn gave him. Say thank you, Auntie Sherilyn.
Thank you, Aunt Sherilyn.